In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a zip file in Google Drive. So what you need to do is open up Drive, then if you go to New in the top left hand corner, and then click on File Upload, you can then find the zip files. So here it is, Wedding 5. This is a zip folder full of wedding photos. So we click it and we click on Open. You'll then see it uploading in the bottom right hand corner. You can then go ahead and find it. So if you go to Recent on the left, here it is. We can then go ahead and double click on it. It will then give you some options. If you go to Open With, you can open it with Zip Extractor. If you don't have this here, go to Connect More Apps, then type in Zip. And here you can see we've got Zip Extractor, which we can click on and then click Install. Make sure you give it access to connect to Google Drive, then click Continue. Now, as you can see, we've got Zip Extractor connected. We can go ahead and click Open with Zip Extractor. This will open up a new window. Once you've got it open, you'll see this ready to extract. You can then go to Extract to Drive and click on this blue button, and it then will extract this zip folder. Now we've done that, we'll click View Files in Drive, and there you go. We've now got in our Google Drive, if we go to My Drive, a folder called Wedding 5 Unzipped Files, and inside of this folder we have the images that were zipped up.